Hey there everyone! In this video, I'm going to talk about 3 questions to ask yourself to make tax time less stressful, less surprising, and not that last minute to do. Stay tuned! Welcome to Verde Capital Management, where we turn money into life fulfillment. I'm Michelle Cobb. Thank you for joining us. At Verde, we believe in the power of financial management to transform lives. Whether you're looking to build wealth, plan for the future, or achieve your financial goals, Verde Capital Management is here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for joining us on this financial journey. Subscribe to our channel and know that at Verde Capital Management, we're not just managing money, we're helping you live the life you've always dreamed of. Hey there everyone, I'm Michelle Kopp, and today we're going to talk about taxes. I prepare my taxes like many of you, and I'm actually one of those people that loves tax time. I know, I'm weird, but there's actually a lot of us out there. However, I know for a lot of people, whenever taxes are mentioned, anxiety, worry, and stress come into the picture. But tax time doesn't have to be that way, and I want to show you how. First, let's talk about why some of us have this feeling towards taxes. Maybe one year you got a surprising tax bill, and every year going forward you think it's going to come out of nowhere again. Or maybe you prepare your own, and you're so stressed out about making sure everything is accurate, and you don't want to make mistakes. Maybe you're a procrastinator, and taxes are no different. You're scrambling to get all your info before April 15th and be able to file without having to extend, and every year you tell yourself, I'm going to do it differently this year, but it never changes. Well, taxes don't have to be this thing that we dread. It can actually just be one of those things that we do that doesn't have all the feelings and emotions that make it a difficult time. So here are the 3 questions to ask yourself to help you prepare for tax time. Number 1, did anything happen this year that might affect my taxes? Were there any significant life changes? A new baby, new job with a significant pay raise, a child no longer being a dependent? Along with that, you can ask yourself, what happened last year? Did I owe or did I get a refund? If you owed, did you make those estimated tax payments? If not, have you been saving money every month to put towards that? The second question you can ask yourself is, what do I need to prepare my taxes? Maybe the reason why we're so stressed out is because we don't know all of the things that we should be factoring in to actually prepare our taxes. Well, let me make it easier for you. Here's a list. Personal information, social security number, dependent info, insurance info, bank info, any real estate documents. The next category would be income sources. Anything where you got money. W-2s, 1099 forms for interest, dividends, capital gains, all brokerage account statements, rentals, alimony, gambling winnings. The third category is potential deductions. Charitable giving, interest expenses like mortgage and student loan interest, tuition payments, retirement account contributions. I'll include a list for you in the comments below. So now our last and final question, how do I plan for next year? You know what they say, when you fail to plan, you plan to fail. Did you know that we can plan for our tax year as we go throughout the year, and we don't have to wait until the end of the year to start thinking about taxes? And when we have clarity and a plan, we make much better financial decisions in every regard, and that includes taxes. So how can we better plan for the next tax season? Well, we could be asking ourselves the same questions suggested in the beginning of this video. What's coming up this year that will have effect on my taxes during tax season? Maybe a pay raise will require me to up my withholdings. Or maybe I need new windows and want to look into getting the energy efficient kind for a tax credit. Another thing to ask yourself is, do I want some help with planning for taxes and my money in general? I don't just mean help preparing your taxes, though that is something we started offering this year, and I'll get into the details more in a minute. I'm talking about someone to actually help you prepare and plan for taxes. Here at Verde, one of the 6 key areas we help our clients with is tax planning. We know the right questions to be asking throughout the year, we know what to look out for, and how to advise you on planning for tax time. I hope with all this information you feel better prepared for tax time. It doesn't have to be a stressful time, especially when you know what to look out for, you know what you need to file and prepare your taxes, and you know how to plan for future tax years. And if you do want help in having your taxes prepared, reach out to your service advisor, send them your tax return, and we'll provide a quote. That's it for me today. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button so you can stay notified in our next video. We'll be talking specifics on how to save on taxes. See you next time.